How we doing all? Just chilling today. Just woke up recently and waking up to a tornado here. Tornado watch. Wind was going pretty hard for a little bit. Sort of calmed down now. Power's kind of flickered here and there. But doing all right overall. Let's see if we can kind of hear it. I don't want to be too whatchamacallit, have it be the wind housing, and I don't need anything to fly into me, but yeah. Look at that. Look at all that water buildup, man. Ooh. This is scary. Be some flooding and what have you tonight. Or actually this morning. Just looks like night. It's actually about, quarter after 12:15 here in the Midwest here where I live. Anybody out here in the area, please be careful. That's all I say. But hope everybody's having a blessed Monday or Tuesday, depending on where you're at in the world and whatever time it is. Yeah. And be safe.